Hey y'all, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to change the grips on a Razor Carbon Luxe scooter. I personally don't like these grips because when it rains, these foam grips absorb water and your hands feel really cold. And also, I just don't like the feel of them. They feel a little bit spongy, I would say. So I'm going to be changing them out to these rubber grips I purchased off eBay for around $5. And I love these. They feel nice and they don't absorb water when it rains. So let's get to it and I'll show you how to install these. So in order to remove the factory grips off the Razor scooter, you're going to have to put your hand over the grip, twist, and also pull. And you're going to keep doing this until you get the whole thing off. It might take some time, but you'll get it off eventually. So I'm going to try and pull it off. And once you have a little slack, you can start pulling from this end too. Okay, there you go. Now it's out. You're going to pull the plug through. Okay. I got to plug through, put it back on. And now we're going to take our rubber grips. They came with these metal clamps you're going to have to install with an Allen key. You see here? And I'll show you how to put it on. So now I'm ready to install the rubber grip. I'm going to put the first clamp on now, since this is the part that's going to be going onto the handlebar first. I'm going to slide it over. Alright, perfect. And I'm going to slide it over the handlebar. And now I'm ready to install the next clamp. Right here. I'm going to loosen it up a little bit with my Allen key. And I'm going to slide it right over there, like that. I'm going to line it up to where I want it, making sure this part is facing the back of the scooter. And now I'm ready to tighten down the clamps.
Now see the final tightening?
Now I got one side done. Now we're going to do the other side. And it's the same process for the other side. I'm going to unroll the handlebar grip. And I'm going to pull through this plastic piece. Line it up. Do a final tightening, making sure to hold the grip while you're doing this because it might move a little bit. And there you have it. That's how you install rubber grips on a Razor Carbon Luxe scooter. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.